Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, everyone! This is your superfan Meena Tovani from Destination CEO with your tip number 3 on 7 tips on LinkedIn visibility. Our tip today is to connect your other social media platforms to your LinkedIn account. What do I mean? The other social media platform or professional social media platform that I highly recommend each of you or each of the job seekers have is your Twitter account. Connect your Twitter account to your LinkedIn account so that you can share your content and tag the companies that you're interested in working for. You can also start following the companies of your choice. That way, when they post anything or they have any updates and they share it on Twitter and on LinkedIn, you get alerts as well. So there you have it. Tip number 3 for LinkedIn visibility: connect your Twitter feed to your LinkedIn account. How do you do that? Very simple. Go into your privacy settings and authorize LinkedIn to connect with Twitter. I am also attaching a link in my message so that you know all the steps on how to do it. Once again, wish you a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy the day today with your loved ones. Think about us as well. Share this video if you feel that it would benefit anyone in your tribe. This is your superfan, Meena Tovani, and Mr. Claus wishing you a very Merry Christmas from Destination CEO.